Hey guys, Adam in the Aeroworks workshop, and some of you may know that in my specialty imaging company, I fly drones for a living. And today I'm actually excited to test out the new DJI FPV drone. This is something that's pretty amazing technology, the way you fly it and everything. But I thought, along with doing that, why not give the perspective of what could possibly be the Super Duty's future runway? So I'd like to get feedback from some of you Zenith guys out there that are flying 750s, maybe even a 750 Super Duty. Let me know if you think this field is doable, and roll the film.